Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Siri not listening to on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to call Siri on your iPhone like Hey Siri and it doesn't respond to your call and you want to fix that, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Siri settings, and here you have to make sure that you have already set up the Siri because sometimes it is not set up. So here you can simply click on Hey Siri, and after that you can simply turn on the Siri. So after that you can simply say set up Siri, and after that you can click on continue. Siri, how's the weather? And you can simply set up all these settings. And after that you can also say Hey Siri, send a message, and you have to make sure that Hey Siri, send a message, and you can simply say about that Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes, and it will record your video. Siri set a timer for 3 minutes. So in this way you can simply set up Siri by completing all these settings. Moreover, you can simply turn on the Siri when locked. So you can also set Siri responses, and after that you can make sure that you are using Siri in strong internet connection. And if your internet connection is weak and it is not working, then you have to make sure that you have restarted your Wi-Fi router and you have checked your internet. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.